With this lecture, mabibigay tayo ng additional na sample problem on symmetrical parabolic curve. So, diretso na tayo sa sample problem. Two tangents of a vertical summit curve are of 4% and negative 2% grade. If the length of curve is 400 meters, determine the location of the highest point on the curve. So, since meron tayong vertical na summit curve, so automatic na meron tayong highest point. Pag sag curve naman, automatic na meron tayong lowest point. So, for summit, we have a highest point. So, given natin is we have G1, G2, and L. So, 4%, negative 2%, and then we have the L is 400 meters. So, which is nakalagay na din dito sa figure natin. So, we have PC, PT, and then L equals 400 meters. And then we have G1 equals 4% and G2 equals 2%. So, dito sa problem na to, ito yung mga working equations natin. Kung paano makuha yung location ng highest point or lowest point. So, we have S1 equals G1L divided by G1 minus G2, and then S2 is G2L divided by G2 minus G1. Ang kaibahan lang naman ito is yung S1 is measured galing PC, and then yung S2 naman is measured galing PT. So, unahin muna natin si S1. So, we'll have S1 is just equivalent to, yung G1 natin is since meron na tayong bagong unit dito na involved, which is yung unit ng length natin is in meters, kailangan na natin i-convert yung G1 and G2 into decimal. Hindi na siya magiging percent, no? Kasi, yun nga, meron na tayong ibang unit dito which is in meters na unit ng length. So, yung G1 natin na 4% magiging 0.04 na yan kasi i-divide lang naman natin siya ng 100 para maging decimal. And then, we have yung length natin is 400 meters. And then, divide natin, G1 is 0.04 minus pa rin tayo, negative 0.02. That's equivalent to, dito tayo sa calculator natin. So, we have 0.04 times 400 divided by 0.04 minus negative, nagiging plus na siya agad, no, sa calculator natin. Automatic na niyang ginawa yung pag-plus. So, that's 266.67. Okay? Tapos, i-try din natin yung S2, no, para ma-double check lang natin yung ginawa natin sa S1. S2 is just equivalent to negative 0.02 times 400 meters divided by, baliktad sila, no, 0.02 negative minus 0.04. So, titingnan natin kung ano yung value nito, no? We have negative 0.02 times 400 divided by negative 0.02 minus 0.04. That's 133.33. Okay? So, 133.33 meters. Tapos, para ma-double check lang natin, dapat yung 133 na yan, tsaka yung 266 ay magiging equal sa 400. So, that's 133 plus 266.67. So, equal naman siya sa 400, no? So, yung dalawang yan, pag pinagsama, magiging 400 meters. Kasi, pag titingnan natin dito sa figure natin, so yung L over 2 natin, which is yung distance galing dito, 200 meters, no? Kasi half yan. Pag symmetrical parabolic curve kasi, naka-half yung vertex natin, o yung intersection ng tangents natin, sa magkabilang side, no, left and right. So 200 somewhere dito sa 266.67 is yung highest point natin. So estimate lang natin. Banda dito, we have yan. Tapos meron tayong line na ganyan. And then we have ganyan. Okay? So we have ito yung S1 natin, which is measured from PC, which is equivalent to 266.67 meters. Ito naman yung S2, which is 133.33 meters. And then yung location of highest point natin is dito. So, supposedly yung drawing natin, paganda, no? Tapos, pababa siya dito. Okay? So, yan. I-correct lang natin yung drawing natin. Kasi, yan. Based dito sa calculations natin, yung S1 is halfway, more than pala dito sa halfway na 200 meters. Okay? So, yun lang yung meaning ng S1 tsaka S2. Yung S1 natin is measured from PC, and then yung S2 is measured from PT para makuha natin yung highest point. Okay? So, yun na yun para sa sample problem na to. And again, no, thank you for watching and see you sa mga next na mga sample problems natin. Thank you!